Hello friends, welcome back to Global English Talk. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. Thank you so much for listening today.
We're very happy you're here. Today's topic is how to introduce yourself in English.
Yes, this is very important English. You use it at school, at work, and with new friends.
Don't worry, we will use simple English. We will repeat a lot.
So relax, smile, and let's learn together.
Tom, let's meet for the first time.
Okay, hello.
Hello, my name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. My name is Tom.
Great! Friends, listen to these words. My name is. Nice to meet you.
Yes, my name is means this is my name.
And nice to meet you means I am happy to meet you.
Sarah, where are you from?
I'm from Canada. Friends, listen. I'm from Canada.
Good. I'm from means this is my country or city.
Now I ask you, Tom, what do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Nice! Friends, I'm a teacher means this is my job.
Sarah, how old are you?
Tom, that's a secret.
Oops, sorry. But friends, you can say, I'm 20 years old, or I'm 30 years old.
Yes, very simple. Okay, friends, let's practice. Please repeat after me. Hello. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. I'm from Canada.
Great. Now repeat after me. My name is Tom. I'm from the USA. I'm a teacher. Nice to meet you.
Very good. You're doing great. Now let's listen to a short story about our friend, Anna.
Yes, Anna meets a new friend at a cafe.
Anna walks into a cafe. She sees a woman. The woman smiles.
Anna says, "Hello, my name is Anna."
The woman says, "Hi Anna, my name is Lisa. Nice to meet you."
Anna says, "Nice to meet you too. I'm from Spain."
Lisa says, "Oh, I'm from Italy."
Then Lisa asks, "What do you do?"
Anna says, "I'm a student."
They smile and drink coffee together. New friends.
Tom, what is the woman's name?
Her name is Lisa.
Where is Anna from?
She's from Spain.
What does Anna do?
She's a student.
Let's review today's important words and phrases. Hello, a friendly greeting. My name is, say your name. Nice to meet you, polite and friendly words. I'm from, say your country or city. I'm a, say your job or role.
These phrases are very useful. You can use them every day.
Practice in front of a mirror. Practice with a friend. Practice with us.
Thank you so much for listening to Global English Talk.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It really helps our channel grow.
And now, our question of the day.
What is your name and where are you from? Tell us in the comments.
We can't wait to read your answers.
Thank you for learning English with us.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.